Welcome to Session 6. Real GED questions often hide the right triangle inside a story. Your job is to sketch, mark the perpendicular directions, label the sides, and identify the requested quantity. Once the model is correct, the arithmetic is usually familiar. Today, we will practice routes, diagonals, units, and a second-step cost calculation. A person walks 9 kilometers east and then 12 kilometers north. The route distance is 9 plus 12, or 21 kilometers. The straight line distance from start to finish is the hypotenuse, root 9 squared plus 12 squared, which is 15 kilometers. Those answers describe different questions. Height, rise, north and south usually describe a vertical leg. Width, run, east and west usually describe a horizontal leg. Ladder, cable, ramp surface, diagonal, shortest path, and straight line distance usually describe the hypotenuse. These clues guide your sketch, but the right angle structure confirms it. A rectangular garden is 18 meters by 24 meters. Its corner-to-corner path is root 18 squared plus 24 squared, or root 900, which is 30 meters. If paving costs $12 per meter, multiply 30 by 12. The final cost is $360. All lengths must use the same unit before you apply the theorem. Do not combine 5 feet squared with 24 inches squared. Convert 5 feet to 60 inches, or 24 inches to 2 feet before calculating. Squaring mixed units creates a number with no useful meaning. On a map, suppose a right triangle diagonal measures 5 centimeters, and 1 centimeter represents 4 kilometers. Find the map distance first, then apply the scale. 5 times 4 is 20 kilometers. Keeping the geometry step separate from the scale step makes the units easier to track. A room is 9 meters long and 12 meters wide. What is its corner-to-corner distance? The length and width are perpendicular legs. The diagonal is the square root of 81 plus 144, or the square root of 225. The answer is 15 meters, with a linear unit because it is a length. You can now translate real situations into right triangles and report the quantity actually requested. Next, we move on to the coordinate plane. Find more guided GED practice at www.bridgetoexam.com.